Game 1 yalo thatha linye liphepha nje sitosho ukuthi game 1 udlala game bani.
Sola uvuli.
2 mabe correct. Okay, game 2. Game 2 Red Stars nesivutha. Game 2 versus Game 1.
Wina yini ngathi
Game 1 amabhubesi newoodlands. Then the following one asongayithatha Mr. 10 chance yafana. Game shot 3 una 4.
Sense 1 2 3 4.
Okay, ngicela sinayo fixture ke baphathi. Lokusothi njengoba sesibhonisile game 2 versus game 1 ikutawuqala yena Sandile semi final so that singatosho ukuthi kuqale bani kanjani. Cabanga ukuthi sivilo lokho sidonsa kanjani. First semi final yethu game 2 versus game 1. And then second semi final in game 3 versus game 4. Then sihamba mase kudlala ifinal. So itawuphuma ifixture sitobuka lama ground ukuthi sidlalisa kanjani. Saturday Sunday.